Hello, my name is Matthew, and Stephen Hickey has asked me to talk with you today. We would like to welcome you to GIT, Get Into Technology. It's great to see you on this page. It tells me that you are looking for better ways to learn. This course I am going to tell you about will do that and so much more. We want you to know that Stephen Hickey is the creator of this course, Learn to Add Gmail Account to iPhone and iPad on iOS. This course was created with you in mind. We have taken all the guessing and wondering out, so there is no need to stress over doing something. This course is full of rich content and has a lot of value for what you are about to learn. Stephen Hickey takes you by the hand and shows you every step of the way, with step-by-step video tutorials that allow you to learn faster, better, easier, with the least amount of human effort. I want to tell you how this course that we have created. It all started with a friend of Stephen's that wanted to add a Gmail account to their iPhone, and had no idea on how to do that. With Stephen's background in IT, for many years he decided to show his friend how to do just that with creating a video tutorial that takes you by the hand and shows you step by step, like you are sitting next to Stephen, asking him how to add Gmail account to your iPhone and or iPad. Stephen continued to get questions coming from family, friends, customers, and people that would get to know him. Questions like, how can I change passwords, add photo to email, how to create a new folder, how to move emails, how to delete all emails, and the list goes on and on. All these questions coming in, Stephen then decided to create this signature course that walks you through everything that you would ever want to know on the iOS email platform. The awesome thing about this course is you cannot look at this as just a Gmail course. This is an iOS email platform course, meaning it shows you an in-depth look at Apple's email platform and how it works. When you go through this course, you will have a better understanding how to effectively use Apple's email platform, which will give you the confidence moving forward. So everything you will learn in this course will apply for any email provider that you add to your iPhone and or iPad. Because we are really talking about how the iOS email platform works. Once you get that hang of what you will learn in this course, you will feel confident moving forward that you can take everything you have learned in this course into any email provider that you add to your iPhone and or iPad. For example, Stephen has 5 different emails accounts from different providers on his iPhone and iPad. He has iCloud, Gmail, Bell, Yahoo, Simpatico, so you understand what we are talking about here. Like I said, this will work for any provider: Yahoo, Google, AOL, Bell, Verizon, whichever email provider you are using right now. The name of this course is Learn to Add Gmail Account to iPhone and iPad on iOS, because that is how it all started. So you know that it's really an iOS email platform course. In this course, Stephen is going to take you by the hand and show you many different lessons to be learned inside these video tutorials that he has put together for you. You will enjoy learning because you can follow along as Stephen shows you what you need to do in each lesson, so you then can move on to the next lesson with ease. There has been a lot of time put in this course and thought, right down to the website and how it flows, so that allows you to learn faster, better, easier, which in turn allows you to get the most out of this signature course. Now we are going to tell you about some exciting things. I would like to introduce you to my friend, Joanna, and she's going to tell you more. Take it away, Joanna.
Thanks, Matthew. Hi, I am Joanna, and I am excited that you are here. I am excited to tell you about this course. Once inside this course, you will see there is 17 videos, 17 audios, and PDF. You are going to learn so much in this course that there will be no thinking, how can I add a photo to an email, how can I save a draft email, etc. Let me explain what is inside this course and what we have in store for you. After you purchase this course, you will be able to create a username and password, and that will allow you into the private members area, where you can access this full course, and you can get started right away. You also can learn at your own pace, so there is no stressing about it. Dave is going to tell you what is inside this course: add Gmail account to iPhone and iPad on iOS email platform. You will learn the following lessons.
Full course on Gmail on iPhone and iPad. Learn how to add Gmail, iPhone, and iPad iOS 7 11.2.5 latest. Navigate inside Gmail, creating a new email and adding photo. This video takes you inside Gmail, creating an email in Gmail 2 different ways. Learn what you use CCC, BCC for. Send an email and learn where the sent folder is. Creating draft email inside Gmail. Deleting folders in Gmail. Learning where the junk folder is. Notifications in Gmail. Creating a signature file that shows you some of what the content is in the full Gmail course, that takes you by the hand and shows you step by step everything you need to know to have confidence moving forward.
Once inside this signature course, you will see it's just chock full of rich content that allows you to learn with ease. If you like what you have heard so far, you are going to love this signature course and the learning platform. We are excited to be offering you this course, and it can help you with solving your problems, from wondering how to giving you the confidence moving forward in achieving what it is that you are wanting to do with total ease. This course is getting global exposure, and people are loving this learning platform and being able to watch these video tutorial lessons on their iPhone, iPad, and/or MacBook computer. This allows you to learn anytime you want and where you want. We are in the digital age, and this allows you the freedom to watch anytime, any place you want on your own schedule and pace, which in turn is really cool. Once you go through the lessons, you will know exactly how to add a photo to an email, create a new folder, how to create new email 2 different ways, how to delete emails 3 or more ways, how to trash all emails. GIT customers that have purchased this course love it. It has helped them greatly with many things. Now they have the confidence, knowing that they will know how to add a photo to an email every time moving forward with ease. If you forget any lesson, all you have to do is go and rewatch what it is that you are having trouble with, and you will then remember very quickly how you did it before. This will give you the peace of mind knowing that you are not alone in this. GIT is here for you every step of the way. If there is something that you are not sure of, you just watch the video, and it will answer your question by solving your problem. Then you can breathe and feel awesome, knowing that you did it. This course gives you the freedom to get in there and learn each lesson with ease, allowing you to know exactly what you are doing for the next time you need to do something. It will just come to you. Here is a recap of what you are getting in this course that is packed full of rich content. Once you purchase the course, you will have access to 17 videos lessons that teach you what you need to know moving forward. You also get 17 audios that you can listen to as well. We have included some PDFs. There are also 3 welcome videos that show you how to watch these lessons on iPhone, iPad, and/or MacBook computer. We have covered everything down to the finest detail, so you get the most out of this course. This course has been created with you in mind. We want your experience to be an enjoyable one, and we have done that with this course.
By taking action now, you will get access to this course, packed full of rich content. We have put together, for you, to learn faster, better, easier. It will be an enjoyable experience for you, to learn on your device of your choice. Imagine being able to view this course on multiple devices, like iPhone, iPad, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Mac computers, any time of the day or night. Learn at your own pace. You can rewind the video lesson, if needed while watching, if you missed a step. You can ask questions, and let us know how you are enjoying the course, in the comments section. You are not alone in this, as GIT is here to help you. We have put a lot of thought into this course, so you will be able to learn with ease. Once inside the private members area, you will see what we have in store for you. We are excited for you, and for what you are about to learn. You will have the confidence moving forward, knowing that your problems have been solved. How good will that feel, knowing that you were able to learn something with ease, that would have taken you a long time, if you continued with trying to figure it out? This is your answer to anything that you want to know about Apple, iOS, email app. You will be so happy that you were able to achieve results with what it is that you were having problems with. This will take away any frustration that you had, and turn it into a proud moment. All future updates to this course will be added, and you will receive them at no charge to you. This is our way of saying thank you for being our customer. You also get to download all the videos, audios, and PDF. This allows you to save the video tutorials to your hard drive of your computer, or you can just watch them in the private members area whenever you want. This is your choice completely. We want to give you the freedom to choose for yourself. We have priced this course at a very good price point for all the value you are getting access to. This course could have easily been priced out at $597 for everything that is inside. Once inside, you will see firsthand the rich content inside the private members area. You will want to click the link down on the right side if you are viewing this on a Mac computer. If you are watching this on iPhone, it will be down below. On iPad, it will be down below or to the right side depending on how you enjoy holding your iPad.
By clicking the red button that says, Buy Now, you are getting everything that was mentioned above for only $297, which we want to give you great value for what you are getting. By acting now and clicking the Buy Now button, you will be blown away with what we have for you inside this signature course. If you are still listening, you know that this course can help you, and it shows you are more than interested. You are wanting to get access to this course, so what are you waiting for? Click the Buy Now button, and you will receive an email with login details, so you can get access to this fantastic course right away. Then you will be able to get inside and see all the video lessons that we have for you. The sooner you get started, the sooner you will feel totally at ease as you accomplish one lesson after another. This will give you the confidence moving forward, and this will allow you to feel totally good about yourself. Just imagine learning something that has been on your mind for so long and being unsure of how to do. This will be a proud moment for you. This is when you get to celebrate your successes as you achieve results with the lessons on hand. So what are you waiting for? Click the Buy Now button to get started now. You will be glad you did. You will see all the value you are getting in this signature course. By taking action on this now, you will be farther down the road than most people that act and never take the action to better themselves. The sooner you get started, the sooner you will be able to do different tasks that will solve your problem. Just think how you will feel once you have done it. You will be able to tell your friends what you learned to do on your iPhone and or iPad. As you learn on one device, it will work on the other device. This is like getting two courses in one if you are a proud owner of iPhone and iPad. This gives you an unfair advantage, as you are further ahead than most. You just have to click the Buy Now button. Then you are all set to go. GIT, we'll see you inside the members area. Thank you for watching this video. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the Buy Now button. You are going to love this signature course. Have yourself an amazing day.